no, Indioma. You're welcome to another exciting time. This is a continuation from our last lesson, and we want to look at other ways that we can use conversations or practice how to speak to somebody in real life situations. I believe yesterday's video was very, very impactful. If you haven't watched it, I want you to watch it right now. The link will be down in the description box below. Just check for it and you will find it. Now, something else I want you to do is that I want you to follow us just like you followed us yesterday. Try to practice reading, practice having the conversation, try to answer questions, try to actually allow yourself to be carried along, right? And when it's time for us to learn new vocabulary and make sentences, try to do it immediately, just as we're doing it. Do it with us, okay? And if you have not liked this video already, if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Like, subscribe, share, comment, right? Let us know how this video has impacted you. Share to your friends, your family, your loved ones, everybody in your inner circle, people in your WhatsApp groups that will help to spread the Igbo language message and help our language to stay relevant even with global changing times. Now, let's get into our video proper.
So like we're continuing from yesterday, like I rightly said earlier, this is a continuation. We saw, let me give a brief recap so that we can properly enter this page. Chidi, bịa ebe a biko. Gịnị mere Ada? Ọbịa na-abịa taa. N'ezie, ọbịa na onye na-abịa? Enyi mama na-abịa. Anyị kwesịrị ịkwado ụlọ tupu ọbịa. So Chidi responds by saying, ọ dị mma. Gịnị ka anyị ga-eme? Nke mbụ, ka anyị mee ka ama dị ọcha. Chidi says, ọ dị mma, aga m eme ya. Ada now says, biko, tụtụrụ akwụkwọ kpọrọ nkụ n'ala. Chidi now asks her, ndị a. Now let's go. What does each of these things that they've said, what do they mean? Ọ dị mma means that's good, it's okay. Gịnị ka anyị ga-eme would be, what should we do? So we're supposed to prepare the house for the guests coming, but what should we do? Right? And then Ada should say, first of all, let us make this compound clean. Ka anyị mee ka ama dị ọcha. Let's make this compound clean. And Chidi says, oh, that's okay. I will do it. Aga m eme ya. You can also say, ga-eme ya. That's another way of saying, I will do it. Now, Ada says, biko, please, ụtụrụ, pick up. Akwụkwọ kpọrọ nkụ n'ala. Pick up the dry leaves from the floor. And Chidi asks, these ones, ndị a. You can also say, ọ bụ ndị a. That's another way of asking, is it this one you want me to pick? And on the next page, Ada responds and say, yes, those ones. But we're not going to the next page, right? Because even we can't have a page-by-page review of the entire material. But this is like a guide for you to know how to use this resource so that you can pick it up on your own and then continue the work, see how the story ends, learn the new words, ask yourself the questions at the end of the material and all of that. Okay, Ota? Now, what questions can we get from here? The first question we can get can be, Gịnị bụ ihe mbụ Ada kwuru na ha ga-eme? And that would mean, what was the first thing? What was the first thing? What was the first thing Ada said they were to do? That's the question we can get from this page. And then what our answer should be, let me give a space. Our answer should be, Ada kwuru na ha ga-eme ka ama ha dị gịnị ọcha, which means Ada said that they will make their compound clean. Do you see? That was the first thing. Ada kwuru na ha ga-eme ka ama ha dị ọcha. Ada said that they will make their compound clean. All right? Now, what was the first thing they did to make their compound clean? Gịnị bụ ihe mbụ ha meziri? Gịnị bụ ihe mbụ ha chọrọ ime iji mee ka ama ha dị ọcha? That would mean, what was the first thing they wanted to do to make their compound clean? And the answer would be ha chọrọ ịtụtụrụ akwụkwọ kpọrọ nkụ. Ha chọrọ ịtụtụrụ akwụkwọ kpọrọ nkụ, meaning they wanted to pick up the dry leaves. So let's practice. Practice time, practice time. Gịnị bụ ihe mbụ Ada kwuru na ha ga-eme? I'll say it again. Gịnị bụ ihe mbụ Ada kwuru na ha ga-eme? And the answer will be, Ada kwuru na ha ga-eme ka ama ha dị ọcha. Now the second question becomes, gịnị bụ ihe mbụ ha chọrọ ime iji mee ka ama ha dị ọcha? What was the first thing they wanted to do to make their compound clean? Let me put my A in make. Gịnị bụ ihe mbụ ha chọrọ ime iji mee ka ama ha dị ọcha? Now respond. Ha chọrọ ịtụtụrụ akwụkwọ kpọrọ nkụ dị n'ala. Or ha chọrọ ịtụtụrụ akwụkwọ kpọrọ nkụ. Do you see? Now, like we did, let's highlight, as we always do, a few keywords that we can use to actually learn how to make sentences. Nke mbụ, 1, ama. 2, tụtụrụ. 3, akwụkwọ kpọrọ nkụ, dry leaves. 4. Are we ready? Let's get started. Iji bido, mere m ahịrịokwu, try to make a sentence with nke mbụ. I'll go first. Nke mbụ means firstly. So let me say, nke mbụ, firstly, nke mbụ. What can we say we did first? Firstly, or the first thing to do. Nke mbụ bụ na ị ga-aba n'ime ụlọ. The first thing you would do is to enter the house. Do you understand? The first thing you will do is to enter the house. Or, firstly, you will first enter the house. You understand? Nke mbụ bụ na ị ga-aba n'ime ụlọ is used as a continuation phrase. Maybe you started saying something previously or prior to that time, and you want to continue what you were saying. And you're like, first of all, this is what we will do. First of all, for what I was saying, the first step to achieving what I said earlier is that we will so and so and so. Okay, anyị chọrọ ịga ụlọ akwụkwọ, we want to go to school. Mana nke mbụ bụ na gịnị? Anyị ga-asa ahụ. First of all, the first thing we'll do while we're going to school, before we go to school, is that we'll take a bath. Anyị ga-eri nri. We will eat our food. Anyị ga-eyiri uwe ụlọ akwụkwọ maọbụ efe ụlọ akwụkwọ. We put on our school uniform. and so on and so forth. So you're starting up a series of activities. So we're using Kembo. Okay? Now, moving on. Ama. Using ama in a sentence. Ama is the word for compound. Izala ama anyị, which would mean Izala ama anyị would mean, have you swept our compound? Have you swept our compound? Izala ama anyị. And then something else. Oh, I don't know why my compound likes coming out like this. Something else we will see is Totoro. Ga Totoro. Ga Totoro akwụkwọ gị. Ga Totoro akwụkwọ gị. Let's stop there. Go and pick up your book. Maybe your book fell down. Ga Totoro akwụkwọ gị. And then we can also say akwụkwọ mkpọrọ nkụ means dry leaves. Usually it should be called akwụkwọ ndụ, right? Leaves. Mana kita no, this Indra is no more like proper leaves. It's now dry and it has fallen off. So we'll call them akwụkwọ mkpọrọ nkụ. Yeah. And then what can we say about them? Biko, zapo, sweep off. Biko zapo akwụkwọ kpọrọ nkụ ndị a. Maọbụ zapo akwụkwọ ndị a kpọrọ nkụ. And that would mean, please sweep off these dry leaves. Biko zapo akwụkwọ ndị a kpọrọ nkụ. Please sweep off these dry leaves. Is that okay? Very good. Now let's try. Let's use Nkembo. 1 to go. Nkembo bụ na ị ga-aba n'ime ụlọ. Again, Nkembo bụ na ị ga-aba n'ime ụlọ. Izala ama anyị. Have you swept our compound? Izala ama anyị. Or ga n'ama. Go to the compound. Go to the compound. Then the next we have ga tụtụrụ akwụkwọ gị. Go and pick up your book. Biko zapo akwụkwọ ndị a kpọrọ nkụ. Please sweep off these dry leaves. Yay! Imeela ya nke ọma. Very good. I'm so proud of you. Ịgbaligo, jisi ike.
I believe you learned something. I know you did. Don't forget that we cannot exhaust the entire material in this one session or episode. No episode is actually sufficient because it's a material you can reuse over and over again. And that's what I want you all to be reading this week, right? It's very friendly. You can read it on your mobile device, on your mobile phone. Very easy to access, colorful with images. You will learn new words. You will learn some action words. You're going to get questions, more questions, review questions at the end that will help to sharpen your Igbo skills. It's something you can use to bond with your parent or bond with your child, maybe as a bedtime story, right? And then you people are using it maybe in the night or every morning just before they leave for school. Ka ha wee na-asụkwa n'Igbo a ọfụma. Ọkwa ịma na Igbo bụkwa na ị na-eme ya mara ka esi eme ya ọfụma. Ị na-asụ ya mara ka esi asụ ya ọfụma. Ọbụkwa na ị naghị asụ ya, ọ ga-agba n'ahụ gị n'uche. So I want us to stay practicing, right? Till I come your way next time, don't forget na asụkwa Igbo. Our group classes are actually open now. Please join as much as you can. When you click the link, you can take advantage of the early bird offer. You can take advantage of the early bird offer right in the description box below. We can't wait to have all of you in class, right? But if you don't click the link on time, you may have to wait for the next cohort, right? So please take advantage. Jiri ehihie chọọ ewu ojii tupu chi a na-eji. Mgbe ewu n'onwe ya ọchịchịrị ga-abụ otu ihe. Aga m ahụ unu mgbe ọzọ. Ọ dị.
Learn with Coach Princess.